Hey everyone, welcome back to my Powerdirector tutorial. Today in this video, we will learn how to create this.
Following your car, you might try to run, but you're never far. They call me crazy, I call it love.
But before we start, I have a short commercial for you. Watch this.
Ang presidente del Robredo, vicepresidente Chico Pangilinan. Ang presidente del Robredo, vicepresidente Chico Pangilinan.
Wala kaming pake sa inyong presidente, basta kami BBM Sara Duterte. Wala kaming pake sa inyong presidente, basta kami BBM Sara Duterte. Aming vice-presidente Sara Duterte, ang sa inyo naman
Chico Pangilinan.
Ha! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, what a nice dance. This dance is calling election dance. Most popular dance now here in the Philippines. This dance only comes out 100 years later. By the way, let's jump into the video.
Me to something that I'm not. You call me crazy, I call
Open your Powerdirector app and create a new project.
Please, I can be what you need.
I'm calling this to vintage look.
Sleeping tight, I'll be under your bed, you'll be inside my head.
Then select 16:9 aspect ratio. Add a video in your timeline.
Please, I've been on my knees, I'm crawling closer, no. I'll be outside your window, keeping you safe and warm. Keep you warm.
Tap filter. Then select bright filter, then tap number 6. Select adjustment.
When I saw your picture, I got
Decrease the
upset.
brightness to
You're
35%.
smiling, having fun without me there. How could you forget me?
Contrast to 30%.
You left me with no choice on
And
what
saturation to
do.
65%.
Baby, it ain't my fault, I'm obsessed with you. You call me
Okay, go
crazy,
back.
I call it love.
Tap overlay, then add the noise effect.
Please, I can be what you need when you're alone and sleeping tight. I'll be under your bed, you'll be inside my head. You want me home.
Then increase the image to the end. Then make noise effect to fit to the screen. Then tap the pencil tool. Then select blending, then select to screen. Okay, go back. Tap overlay. Select video. Then add the old film overlay effect. Then tap the pencil tool. Then select blending, then select to screen. So, this clip is too short, you need to duplicate it. Then trim the extra part. Okay. Tap overlay, then add the film burn effect. Then tap the pencil tool, then select blending, then select to screen. Decrease the opacity to 80%. OK. Tap Overlay. Add the 8mm overlay to the timeline. Now select Pencil tool, go to blending mode, then select to darken. And here is the result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video like this.
Calling me royalty.